Hi, I'm Ray. I'm in the greenhouse today, and this channel is all about growing your own fruit and vegetables along with some DIY projects. Today I'm going to show you how to use a grow bag. And this is the big tomato planter, and it's packed with nutrients for more tasty health. This one is slightly deeper than a normal grow bag. Normal grow bags are slightly thinner, but this has got seaweed enriched for fruit formation, calcium rich to prevent blossom end rot, and feeds for up to 6 weeks. So I'm going to show you how to plant in a tomato planter. You can purchase a water tray for your grow bag to sit on, which would be good because when the water sinks through out of the bag, it's not totally lost, so it sits on the tray. So I'm going to place the tray down in a nice bright sunny spot, and we're in the polytunnel, and we've got our bag and we're rustling it up, making sure it's all soft, breaking up the compost. We need a nice flat level surface, so we're all nice and flat, all nice and level. And then normally on a grow bag you'll have some holes that we can cut out. So we've got our scissors and we're going to cut some holes. So they advise on 3 lots of holes, which is quite tight. Tomatoes do need a lot of space, so 2 tomatoes will probably be fine. With the narrow grow bags, they don't get to grow the roots so deep, so I'll cut out the 3. There we go. What you could even do is to get 2 grow bags, stack them on top, cut out the bottom of one, stick another one on top. That'll make a real deep grow bag. So the grow bag's not only for tomatoes, you can grow aubergines, peppers, you can even grow some root vegetables like beetroots, Swedes, turnips. And there we go. So we've got our 3 holes, and we could just get our tomato plant and stick them in each of the hole. But as we want to go deep as possible, I've got a little trick. And we can use Ringos, and adding a Ringo on top of the bag and putting the tomato in the Ringo, you can give a much deeper root, and the roots can grow. A second option, an alternative way, is to get a flower pot, cut the hole at the bottom and use a similar process and stick it in the bottom of a bottomless flower pot. So we've got a pot with a hole cut out, and this can just be pushed into the compost, and then the tomato plant and just go into the pot. We can fill it up with some compost, and now the roots can grow really deep. Alternatively, using the Ringo, we can do the same. Planting it nice and deep. Try not to get soil, compost into the watering ring. And the alternative way is just to add this one straight in as deep as we can. Straight in. So we need lots of water, especially on hot days. But the pot idea, or the Ringo, is going to give a much better plant at the end of the day. So a good tip. Once the tomato is in place, give it a good water the bag. With the Ringos, once the roots have gone down, we can just water inside the tray, and we can just water inside the flower pot, and it will save the flowers, the leaves getting wet when we water. So there we go. So let me know in the comments, have you grown tomatoes in grow bags, and what other vegetables have you grown in a grow bag? And have you used a double grow bag method? Have you used the Ringo's pots, or do you just do it traditionally? And it'd be interesting to see the progress in between the 3 individual plants during the course of their life in this grow bag. So if you're new to my channel, please subscribe, ring that bell, get notifications when I post some more. Look forward to having some lovely tomatoes growing in the polytunnel. Thank you very much. Cheers.